In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Constant Contact form. To begin, sign into your Constant Contact account and head to the main navigation. Look for the area labeled Channels. This is where Constant Contact groups different ways you can reach your audience, including email, social, and sign-up tools. Under Channels, click Sign Up Forms. This section is dedicated to creating and managing forms that collect new subscribers for your email marketing. Once you are on the Sign Up Forms page, click Create Sign Up Form. This starts the form builder, where you choose what kind of form you want to make and how people will see it. When the form type options appear, select the form type that fits your goal. If you want a form that sits directly on a page, choose Inline. This is commonly used for contact pages, footers, or dedicated newsletter sign-up sections. If you want the form to appear automatically based on timing, choose Pop-up. Pop-ups are useful when you want to capture attention after someone has spent a little time on your site. After choosing your form type, move into customization. You will adjust both content and settings. In content, focus on the title and description first. Keep them clear and specific so people understand what they are signing up for. Then review the fields. Only include what you truly need, because shorter forms are usually completed more often. Make sure the fields match your audience and the purpose of your list. Next, open Settings. This is where you control how the form behaves. For pop-ups, pay close attention to timing so the form appears at an appropriate moment. Also review device settings so the form displays well on desktop and mobile. A form that works smoothly on phones is important, since many visitors sign up on mobile. Now choose the email list where new signups will be added. This step is essential because it determines where your new contacts go and what emails they will receive later. Select the list that matches the form's promise and topic. Finally, click Publish. Constant Contact will generate what you need to share the form, such as embed code for your website or a link you can use elsewhere. Save that output so you can place it where your audience will see it. That covers everything you need to know.